going to wear these pants today if they fit. And then I just bought this top to go with it, which is really, really cute. This top is from Burlington as well. It was $9 on clearance. Yes, ma'am. So let's try this on. The pants are on. Let's put the top on. Okay, it's cute, but it's too plain. But it's big. I really want to wear the pants. I just gotta find a different top. This top is nice, but this would be better for work, not for church. I don't know, it's just like not, it's like too casual. And I need to have my bump. But I just need to find a different top. This top is good, just not for today. If I was going to work, I would wear this together. The try-on haul, I did wear it with this top. So I think I should just go ahead and do that again. We've got this little camion pants, and I think I'm gonna put this on top. This just makes it more uppy. I'm gonna show you guys, and I'm gonna take it off so I can do my makeup. Or I might leave it on, I don't know. I just didn't want to wear it because it's long sleeve, but it is very breathable. But you see how that's just so much more, you know, up there? Yeah, it's better. I'll try to leave it in the next 20 minutes. So here's the outfit. And then for shoes, I figured out. I did buy these brand new shoes from Shein for a brown sugar baby that I have coming up. It's just white with a little gold back heel. I might wear these. They're very low. We might wear these. Yeah. All right, let's do a little bit of makeup, y'all. I already have my lashes on and brow tint, but I am gonna touch up my brows just a bit. I'm gonna put a little bit of the one side on my forehead because it is hot outside. And my mouth. And I'm gonna let my fan dry it quicker. So I'm gonna speed this up really quick because I'm not doing too much. And I'm gonna turn the fan on max so you're not gonna be able to hear me. So let's go.
Never ending, can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving,
I'm done. Let me do a little bit of highlighter because I haven't worn highlighter in so long. And today is giving a highlighter kind of day. So I'm just gonna grab this one. It's called Honor Roll by the Crayon Case. It is broken, so I need to be careful. Honor Roll by the Crayon Case. Yeah, it is broken. Just a little bit. Oh my gosh, I haven't worn highlight in so long. And then we're gonna just do tiny bit in the brow bone. Just a little bit. And in the corner. I love that in the inner corner, just a little bit. That's enough of that. Don't want to overdo it. Just a little bit of oh my god, I haven't seen highlight in so long. Why did we stop? Like, are we really just following what one person says? Because highlight is that girl, especially when you don't overdo it. Just gonna put a little bit of more blush, powder blush at least. All right, we're done with the face. Let's go ahead and set it and forget it. You remember that commercial? Set it and forget it. Turn that down. I'm going to use this one first. This is Tears Matte Spray. Let that dry. I'm going to go in with my Garnier Fructis Curl Refresher Spray. Reviving water just to give my hair some moisture and some smell good. It smells so good. It smells like a freshly washed hair. I should oil my scalp, but I'd rather do that before bed because it smells like castor oil. So, all right, that's that. I am going to put some edge drops on though because this one smells good. Let's throw that in there. Perfect time to do it is when your hair is in a protective style. And I like these drops. Where's my head massager? Just roll this really quick on those areas. Roll it in while also massaging the scalp. All right, let's do my edges really quick. Basking lather, of course. Elgoers, juice break, of course. I drink through gallons because it's only me and my husband, and he usually buys juices just for me. So I just drink it through a gallon because it's just for me. Because why not? I'm gonna spray my edge brush. Ooh, I need to clean this to activate the product. And we're gonna dip it into the. I'm not gonna do too much edges. I'm really bold not wearing a robe. But we are all done. That now looks even way more put together. Just get the makeup out of it. Alright, we're done with that. Let's go ahead and accessorize this outfit now. Let me do one more spray. Let me try this. I haven't tried this in so long, the Urban Decay. I forgot I had it. I think this is the one where I have to pat it in so the white stuff don't stick on my face. The face looks really nice. Simple concealer and powder. That's all you need, guys. That's all you need. All right, let's go ahead and hurry up so we can go. It's 12, it's 10, 12. It's 10, 12. So we need to be gone before 10:30. I like to use this. This just gets me really, really right the first time. The Fenty Butter Drop Milk. It just does so good on my skin. And a little bit goes a long way the first time. Just on my neck a little bit. Let's put some deodorant on because I definitely forgot some yesterday. But luckily it was nighttime and I was not sweating. I use whatever deodorant is on sale. I don't really have a specific one I love. So right now I'm just using Suave Cocoa Shea Butter. Up and down, run around. Make sure you guys are exfoliating under your arms too, especially if you wear deodorant at night. You need to make sure you're exfoliating under your arms with the body scrub to get all that buildup out on the feet. What perfume are we gonna wear? I'm gonna wear my Tory Burch bag because it's already downstairs packed, so I'm just gonna keep it, and it matches this outfit really good. And my nose is dripping a bit. Do I have a necklace to wear? I don't have any necklaces like that. Like going out necklaces. I have like a lot of chains and stuff, but I have this one, but it's broken. The flower is gone. This actually would have been cute, but I'm still gonna wear it because it's just gold. It's still cute. I'm probably gonna buy a new one. It's actually really like that necklace. For earrings, oh god, my old Pandora ring. Let me wear it. Make sure it's gonna be able to come off. My old Pandora ring. I'm gonna wear that today to Clover. Okay, I have these links. This will go nicely. I just want to take this one off because this one is not the same color. I'd rather have this soft green and the cream. So I'm gonna take this if I can. Yeah, I can. I think I did that before with the orange pear because I have this in multiple colors. So we're gonna take off this bright green one off because it doesn't go. I think I'm gonna end up breaking it. Let me just keep it on, even though I really want to take it off and just have these two, because this will go so much better. This other one is just too bright. I gotta take it off. Either I gotta take it off or I can't wear it. These pearls, these will be cute. But I really want to wear the green ones. These will be cute, but I really want to wear these. Let me try again. The orange one was easy to take off. It's gonna break. Alright, well, let me just keep these little, yeah, let me just do these. I just know it's hot outside. I want to smell like fresh and sweet, so let's do some perfume now. Oh, I'm gonna do a little bangle. 1, 2. This is a Kate Spade. The first one is Coach. The second one is Kate Spade. I need to get some more. I want to mix metals. Put silver here. So who's gonna stop me? I got these from some vendor one time at like an event. It's like brooches, fake Gucci and fake Chanel. I don't really wear brooches, but I still kept it. One of these days I might wear it when I have like a blazer dress on or something. Anywho, Sparkling Lychee. I haven't worn these in so long, and I need to get the new perfumes that they have. The Eden Peach and the Eden Pear. I need to get those. Oh my gosh, I'm almost done. We're gonna top it with Jimmy Choo I Want You With Love. That gives the fresh on top of the sweet. Alright, we're gonna wear these new shoes. I got these from Shein for, again, an event I have coming up. But we're gonna wear it today. Because why not? They're very low. Easy to walk in. I got them in a size 9.5 because I want to be real comfortable. So these days. outfit for church. Super cutesy. My bag's downstairs. Let me just throw on some lip liner real quick. My old retractable berry lip liner. Just darken it a bit. Just throw on this, do it on the center. Whatever. I have a lip gloss I'll top it off with in the car. I am gonna bring my beauty puff because it's hot today. In case. Your face is cute. Your face is sitting nicely. Not much on my forehead, which is where I sweat the most. So yeah. Alright, let's ride up out of here. Perfect timing. Let me text my sister. You guys downstairs with me so you guys can see the final everything. Smell good, look good, feel good. Let me grab my iPad for church. I like to carry my iPad because it's more lightweight and I have my Bible app on it and notes. Because my current Bible is huge. I need to get a smaller pocket Bible. Yeah. This is a full outfit. Cute, cute. That's cute. It's hiding pretty nicely. I just gotta tighten my pants, but it's a cute little outfit. All right, you guys. Heading to church now. I will see you guys probably tomorrow morning. If I have anything else to vlog today, I will vlog. But if not, I'll see you guys in the morning. I actually really like this outfit. It's super cute. The shoes put it together really nicely. So the shoes are new from Shein. I'll leave the link down below if you care. The pants are Burlington. This top is Pretty Little Thing. This bodysuit is, I don't know. This is the outfit. Earrings are Shein. And I'll be wearing my Tory Burch tan bag. Super cute. Let's go.